On the sixth day of appetizers, Uncle Chris made for me chili glazed wings. Ho, ho, ho. No, it's not Sarah. It's Uncle Chris.
What you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Yes, nieces and nephews, we are doing my sweet chili wings tonight. Now, I've got some wings right here, just enough for the purpose of showing you how to make them. I got a bowl here. We're going to make the wings entirely in one bowl, basically. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. First things first, put your wings in your bowl. Oh, yeah. Now, we're going to take your favorite barbecue seasoning. I'm just using one that I like. Sweet savory rub. Use a sweet barbecue flavor, anything you have, okay? We're going to put this on there liberally, okay? We're going to take some black pepper. Put about a teaspoon of that on. Hello, Miss, what is your name again? The doggy Bella. Yeah. Put on a teaspoon of garlic, okay? If the garlic was open. Knew I didn't do something. That's funny. That's a blooper. That's a blooper. Put on the garlic. About a teaspoon. Now, we're going to mix them together. You got to use your hand to do this. We're going to mix them up real good. Okay? Okay, now we're going to take, I got a 1/4 cup flour here. I'm going to just sprinkle it over them and mix them together. Okay. Just enough to coat them lightly. Okay? Coat them real light. Just like that. All right? Now, I'm going to wash off my hands. Take my barbecue seasoning and go over them again. Okay? This time I'm using a spoon. Mix them around. Because I got to keep my hand clean for this next process. Now once they're all coated and nice, like this, we're going to fry them. Let's go over to the stove. All right, let's put one in to test it. Yes. Well, it has got to be hot. We're going to fry these till they're golden brown. I'd say 7 to 10 minutes. As soon as these turn golden brown, you gotta take them out, okay? While these are frying, let's make the sauce that's gonna glaze them. Okay, in this bowl that we used before, I cleaned it. I'm gonna put about 1/2 cup to 1 cup of honey. I'll use about the same amount, just a little less, of ketchup. Now I'm going to sprinkle in a teaspoon of garlic, teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm going to put in, to taste, some red pepper. I suggest about a teaspoon, but I'm going to put a little more. For me, just for my taste. No, this will not make it real hot. But the honey turns it down. All right. Let's mix this together and see if I have enough honey in here. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Let me taste this. Yeah. A little more honey. I'm going to put in a little more garlic. And something to judge it up a little bit. I'm going to put in 2 shots of hot sauce. Oh yeah. That's it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now back to our wings. Okay, I'm taking them out now. They, see the color? Yeah, they're done. All right, the heat from the wings is going to help the glaze adhere to them. So put them right in to the bowl with the glaze. Stir them around so they get nice and coated. Hear how crispy they are? Yep. Get them coated. Mm-hmm. I'm going to put the rest of these in. And now, we got our plate of wings. Nieces and nephews, quick and easy, simple to do. Right on time for the holidays. Look at those wings, all nice and glazed. We got some celery and some ranch sauce for dipping. And these are tasty and tangy and sweet with a little bit of kick of heat. Oh yeah. Yes, nieces and nephews, we got our chili sweet wings glazed. These are so good. And yes, I'm going to taste one because my greedy family over there wants some, don't you? Okay. Ah. Yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe. Write to me, Uncle Chris, foodpantrychef@gmail.com. Oh, they also go good with, hold on. My eggnog, if you know, you know. Now, you have got to try for that $50 prize. Come on now. Nieces and nephews, I know you can do it. Check out Simply Meals by T Vlog, and she'll explain everything about the contest. First prize is $50. We've got 2 second prizes, excuse me, of $10 each. You can do this. All right, look for my Christmas special and the music video. And until the next time, tomorrow, big love from Uncle Chris.